Have you ever walked through a place so ancient, so mysterious, that every stone seems to whisper forgotten secrets? Deep in the Cambodian jungle, surrounded by mist and the echoes of the past, stands a temple unlike any other, Angkor Wat. But beyond its beauty lies something few truly understand. Why was this immense city built? What hidden messages are carved into its walls? And most haunting of all, why did the mighty Khmer Empire vanish, leaving Angkor lost for centuries? Today we'll embark on a journey through history's greatest enigma, uncovering secrets that have puzzled explorers, historians, and even archaeologists. To understand Angkor Wat, we must first step back in time, nearly 900 years ago, to an empire that once ruled Southeast Asia. The Khmer Empire was not just powerful, it was an advanced civilization, building vast cities, complex irrigation systems, and architectural marvels that still baffle engineers today. At its peak, Angkor was home to nearly 1 million people, a city larger than medieval London. But why did King Surya Varman II order the construction of Angkor Wat? Was it simply a temple, or something far greater? Most Hindu temples face east, toward the rising sun. But Angkor Wat is different. It faces west, a direction associated with death and the afterlife. Some scholars believe this means it was originally a tomb for the king, not just a temple. Others suggest it represents the cosmic balance between life and death. As you step inside, intricate carvings cover the walls, scenes of gods and demons locked in battle, celestial beings watching over humanity, and warriors marching to war. These carvings tell stories, but some believe they are more than just mythology. Could they be coded messages? Some researchers suggest that hidden within these stone murals are maps of the stars, guiding ancient priests in their celestial calculations. Others believe the engravings contain warnings, clues about the empire's fate. For centuries, Angkor Wat and its surrounding city flourished. But then something happened, something that changed everything. By the 15th century, Angkor was mysteriously abandoned. Theories range from massive droughts that dried up the city's water supply to invasions by rival kingdoms. Some even believe that a shift in spiritual beliefs led the Khmer rulers to move their capital. But what if the answer has been hidden in plain sight all along? Recent studies suggest that Angkor's advanced water system, the very thing that allowed it to thrive, may have also caused its downfall. When extreme weather hit, the delicate balance of water collapsed, leading to floods, droughts, and eventual ruin. Yet, even as nature reclaimed the city, Angkor Wat itself was never truly forgotten. While Western explorers rediscovered it in the 19th century, the Cambodian people had always known of its existence, guarding its sacred halls, preserving its legends, and keeping its spirit alive. But the mysteries of Angkor Wat don't end with its history. Even today, strange discoveries continue to be made. In 2016, archaeologists using LiDAR technology found hidden structures buried beneath the dense jungle, entire city grids, temples and roads that had been lost for centuries. These findings suggest that Angkor was far more extensive than we ever imagined. And then there's the Naga, the mythical serpent carved into countless temple walls. Some believe these creatures were merely religious symbols, but others think they hint at something deeper, a forgotten myth, or an ancient warning passed down through generations. Could Angkor Wat still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered? Though centuries have passed, Angkor Wat remains a symbol of resilience. It has survived war, time, and even looting. Today, it is one of the most visited historical sites in the world, drawing millions of travelers seeking to connect with the past. But Angkor is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a reminder of human ambition, creativity, and mystery. As you walk through its towering corridors, past its weathered statues, and under its ancient archways, you can't help but wonder, if an empire so grand could vanish, what other lost civilizations are still waiting to be found? Angkor Wat is just one of many wonders around the world, but it won't be the last mystery we explore. Through Voyagers, I'm sharing more than just history. I'm bringing you authentic travel experiences, inspirational travel insights that go beyond what guidebooks tell you. Travel isn't just about places, it's about discovering new perspectives and new experiences, and maybe even a new part of yourself along the way. So if you're ready to see the world through a different lens, subscribe and join me on this journey through time and exploration.